everyone will be taxed. Whether it's crypto, remote worker, boat driver, or even the men and women that stand on the street at night. You know them. Let's start with crypto. As a crypto company, if you do not pay your taxes, you could lose your license and be fined 10 million naira. Now, taxable virtual asset transactions include sale, exchange, transfer of virtual assets, mining, staking activities that generate income. You see this word here, income. Airdrops, bounties, and any other transaction or activity relating to virtual assets. I'm not sure you're understanding this. Well, calm down. Let me explain. If you buy Bitcoin, for example, and you bought it at 100,000 and now Bitcoin is $300,000. You see that extra 200,000 that you made, you are going to pay tax on it. That's capital gain. But if you sold and you made a loss, you are not paying any tax on it. But if that Bitcoin is just in your wallet, you've not sold, it has appreciated, but you have not sold, or it's just still there, you don't pay any tax on that. That is unrealized. Now, if you want to know what the tax rate is, you can look at this chart here. Now, to all those Emeka, Japan, Pablo, South Africa, you know all those people. Both the people that are doing exchange, living in America or Canada or Cambodia, they take local currencies, but they have bank accounts here where people transfer naira to them and then they settle them in other currencies. That's bureau de change. Before now, you had turnover in hundreds of millions and you were not paying taxes. Now, you will pay tax. Even if you don't live in Nigeria, you generate income from Nigeria because that's a business. Now, to all the people that used to do Yahoo that were not paying tax, they say, the government does not know that I'm earning this money. But if you are receiving 50 million every month, you would explain to the tax authorities why 50 million keeps coming into your account every month. What is the work you're doing? And to the people that used to stand on the street at night, every night you get credited 50,000, every night 50,000, 100,000, 250. I don't know how much they charge. You will need to explain to the tax authorities what your job is and if you are paying taxes on that money. If you're wondering how the tax authorities will know, banks and fintechs share transaction data for VAT monitoring. And if you're wondering what will happen to you if you don't pay your tax, FIRS and EFCC strengthen alliance to enforce tax compliance. Don't just be worried about taxes. Learn how you can make money from the stock market in Nigeria. Join the class, DM with the word class. Well, are you aware there's a legal way to reduce the amount of tax you pay? Well, watch my next video. And I hope you learned something. Hey, be good. Take care. This is the Online Banker.